So once again I am repeating for you the velocity time graph that I have previously explained you. That is the velocity time graph class. Here we have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 the time period. Here we have taken 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 velocity. There is a uniform velocity. This is a uniform velocity, that means a uniform slope. In the first second, the velocity is 10 meter per second. In the second, velocity is 20. In the third one, the velocity is 30 meter per second. Fourth, 40, and fifth, the 50. So that is the velocity time graph class. For the by the velocity time graph, I am going to plot the displacement time graph for you. Displacement in the time 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second, and the 5th second I am going to plot. So let's have a look. Displacement in the first second. What is the displacement in the first second? The displacement in the first second is triangle OAP. Okay, here we have to find out the area of a triangle OAP class. That's why we have written for first second from 0 to 2 OBQ. From 0 to OBQ we have to find out. That means this triangle area we have to find out for second. So we have written here for third this triangle. For third this triangle we have to find out OCR. Okay, triangle OCR. And for fourth second what we have to do? ODS. And for fifth second what we have to do? We have to calculate the area OET. OET we have to calculate. Now everybody knows that what is the area. That means here we have to calculate the area of a triangle. That means the formula will be applied here, half base into height. So here we will write the formula half base into height. So first we will multiply. Here we will write the half. Here we have written half. Okay, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, and 1 by 2. Now we are going to write the base for a OAP triangle. OAP, what is the base? OP, that means 1 second. For this 2 second, 3, 4, and 5, and so on. Now time to multiply the height. What is the height? AP is 10. Now 20, the height is 20, 30, 40, and so on, 50. Now the time to multiply these values. After solving, you will get 5 meter because the displacement is there now. So the answer will be 5 meter. This 2 and 2 will be cancelled. 20 meter. 15 and कितना हुआ 45. Okay, that will give you 45 meter. And for this 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 80 meter. And what we will write here? 25. Okay, that we will multiply, and what we will get? 25 into 5. Tell me.
120.
What is your answer?
125.
Sorry, 125. What it? 5 into
Yes, sir.
25, that will give you the 125 answer. That is your displacement. So we have got the displacement for this. These are the value of the displacement in the 1 second. Now by using this displacement time graph, we are going to plot displacement time graph for you. So plot it. Displacement in 1 second, second, third, fourth, and fifth. For first, second, third, fourth, and fifth, we have to plot the displacement time graph. So here we will plot. Here we will take a time period 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how we will take the time displacement 5, 20, 45, 80 and 125. So how you will plot this class? We will take it in a multiples of 20. The scaling we will take here in the multiples of 20 for the displacement. This is the displacement 20, 40, 60, 80 and 100, 120. But you have to get 125 also. So we have to increase this line. We have to increase this line. This will come up to 140. So here you can see that the displacement time graph is going up to 140. Now plot this value. Now plot the value for the first second. For the first second, the displacement is 5 meter.
5 meter.
For the first second, the displacement is 5 meter. That means I hope this is your 10 and this part will come in 5. So this will be your 5 and 20 for second. This is your 20. Okay. 45. Suppose that 45 will come here. This is your 50 and 45 will come here. And that point you will get. After that, in the third second we have done, in the fourth second 80. So we will have to reach up to 80. Okay, 80 we have reached, and after that
125.
in the fifth second 125. So suppose that 125 will come here. So in this way you will get the plot. That means got it or not? In this way, that means not a straight line, that will give you the some curve line. देखिए ये कुछ curve line है यहाँ पे. That I have plotted with my hand, but if you will take a correct measurement in your copy, that will give you the correct graph. Okay, that will give a, यहाँ पे कौन सा देगा displacement time graph for a freely falling body. ये आपके पास जो ग्राफ बन रहा है, that graph is for free fall, when a body is freely falling. So class, I have explained the acceleration time graph, by which we have got the velocity time, velocities we have got. Then by the velocity we have plotted a velocity time graph. Then after, from the velocity we have got the displacement, and from the displacement we have plotted a displacement time graph. So that is for the graphical method. Got it or not?